Welcome to an introduction to the teacher resources available through the Cabrillo National Monument. This video will briefly touch on our programs involving our visitor center, living history presentations, our tide pools, and activities that help explain the coastal sage ecology. Access to these resources is available a number of different ways. Individual and class visits to Cabrillo National Monument is one way. The monument is open 7 days a week from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Class visits led by a National Parks Ranger or a trained volunteer can be arranged through the monument's interpretive staff. We are also developing a number of distant learning broadcasts that will be available over the internet. The Visitor Center is the first stop for many of the people who come to Cabrillo National Monument. The center has an auditorium where videos covering our local history and ecology are presented. The exhibit room explores the early history of San Diego and Juan Rodriguez's 1542 voyage along the California coast. The information desk and bookstore presents information on the different areas of the monument, as well as information about San Diego Harbor today. One of Cabrillo's most popular resources is the tide pool area. Benefiting from the National Park's philosophy of preserve and protect, our tide pools offer a unique opportunity to learn about the ecology of the Eastern Pacific intertidal zone. Time spent at the tide pools can introduce visitors to a sampling of plants and animals that inhabit this border between the sea and the land. Best seen during periods of low tide, visitors have the opportunity to observe colorful sea anemones, mollusks such as limpets and mussels, invertebrates ranging from crabs to octopi, as well as several different species of fish and seabirds. To commemorate the first European exploration of California, a number of park staff reenact the roles of a number of people who might have been a part of Cabrillo's voyage of exploration. The monument staff is also supporting the San Diego Maritime's project to construct a replica of Cabrillo's ship, the San Salvador. One of the monument's most famous artifacts is the original Point Loma Lighthouse, which dates back to the 1850s. We offer museum on the West Coast Lighthouse system, displays the living quarter of the lighthouse keeper and his family, and reenactors that take the roles of various 19th century residents of the Point Loma.